Here are a couple other computations that are interesting to users. Debt ratio, which is computed as total liabilities divided by total assets. Users compute a company's debt ratio to assess what percentage of the company's assets were funded by debt. A debt ratio of 1 indicates that for every $1 of asset, the company has $1 of liabilities. In other words, 100% of the company's assets were funded by debt, and the company is very highly leveraged. In fact, the company is bordering on technical insolvency. If the debt ratio is greater than 1, it would indicate that for every $1 of asset, the company has more than $1 of liabilities. This is not a good situation, and the company would be described as being technically insolvent. This is an example of leverage going out of control. A debt ratio below 1 means that for every $1 of assets, the company has less than $1 of liabilities, hence being technically solvent. Debt ratios less than 1 reveal that the owners have contributed the remaining amount needed to purchase the company's assets. Here are XYZ's debt ratios for 20x8 and 20x7. They are 0.91 for x8 and 0.54 for x7. The debt ratios were total liabilities divided by total assets, that's for x8, and then x7 would be total liabilities divided by total assets for x7. Based on XYZ's debt ratios above, it is clear that XYZ is on a negative trend toward insolvency as its liabilities increase as a percentage of its assets. Lenders and investors seeing this trend should be very cautious.